gotta get more.
You gotta go all the way to that line that Uncle Nobby showed you. He's got the stars, sweetie.
I'm spilling.
That's alright. Don't let Marina wash that away.
Oh, you're getting the broom out.
I got the nuts.
Nope, still need more.
Yay!
Wow.
Woo. I'm getting dirty.
That's the goal.
You're getting dirty from the dirt?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's called dirt, huh? Because it's dirty?
A donut? A donut?
Nope, still need more.
Lots more.
A
By the time we get to bedtime, it'll be enough, sweetie.
Hi, Annabelle.
I'm getting
Oh, my.
dirty.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna be cool.
Aren't you supposed to finish your project here, cutie pie? Well, now you're not allowed to leave. Progress is not made when you leave.
Annabelle. Hi, Annabelle.
I'm gonna help scoop up
Yeah?
potting soil.
I'll get that.
We're going to do it together.
Oh,
I'm
very-
going to be going to help me.
That's very nice of Uncle Nubby to help you, huh?
You're going to help me. See, he's helping
Isn't
me.
it great to do things together, like a team?
What's that? The what?
Wow, look at that scoop.
Woo! You're getting even closer now.
A donut?
Not yet. Oh, well, maybe. Pretty close.